traders, Captain Safa here from Algo Tradingo. In this video, we want to speak about compound interest rate formula and some scam and deceive and foolish item behind of that. Actually, the formula is here: future value equals to present value multiplied by 1 plus RI, that is annual interest rate, powered by N, that the N is number of period that interest held. Or you can consider RI your profit in the financial market per month or per year. And you have to notice that if RI is based on months, so N has to be a number of months. And if RI is based on year, then N has to be based on some years. So this is how you can compute compound interest rate. For example, if the present value of or present money is $20K or $20,000, you can multiply that by 1 plus 0.2, that is 20%, for example, per month. Maybe someone has told you that I can get 20% in a month in the market. So 20% is 0.02. And those are has to be powered by, for example, 10 years. 10 years in a month, because the RI is based on months, the power has to be number of months per month. 10 years equal to 120 months. I want to consider something here. This number is bigger than anything that you can imagine. For example, I want to describe it to you. All the stock markets in the world cost about $90 trillion. This is based off the number in 2020. So all the stock shares in all of the world worth about $90 trillion altogether. All the cash money in the world is $30 trillion. And the gold in the world is about 12 to 13 trillion dollars. And silver is about 1.7 or $2 trillion. And nowadays in 2002, the crypto market is about $1 trillion. So you can imagine this number that you can get from here is bigger than all of this. So if someone can get this kind of money, this person can buy all the earth with all the companies, with all the cash money and all the things that the earth has. So how do you think that someone can get 20% in a month and get this kind of money from the financial market? And you have to consider another item, that is efficient market hypothesis theory. Based on that, if some group or person gets continuous profit from the market, others has to be lose to that person. So they will not continue in that market and market will die. We will provide enough information about it in another video. So this is not possible. There is no way that you can get 20% profit all the time in each month in the market. But so many persons, so many sites, so many individual people promise that they can get this kind of interest or this kind of profit from the market. This is impossible. Even you can see PAM account and LAM account and MAM account in the different brokerage that shows you more than this kind of percentage profit. But in the another video about the scam in the brokerage, I will provide you enough information about how you can show your account in the real account that you get even more than 20% in a month, but it is fake. I will provide you enough information about that in that video. So these are a scam. There is not such a thing in the market. Actually, you can have a bigger profit in compared to any other physical market in this market if you know how to work in this market that we gonna learn to you in these videos and in the course in our sites. But it's not gonna happen that you can get 10% or 20% in a month. Actually, it's impossible for anyone. No one in the world can do that because there are some rules in the market that doesn't let anyone to get this kind of money. So be careful, traders. Do not fall to this kind of deceived and scams.